How to change Steam API key. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can change Steam API key. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, on your web browser, head towards Steam. Once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Head towards the community tab. Once you're under community, now navigate to the address bar at the top. Click on it and here you have to type in /dev API key. So type in the same address as I have shown in this interface, that is steamcommunity.com/dev.api key. Press enter in your keyboard. Here, since I don't have any games in my Steam account, so here it says you will be granted access. So currently I have no access to that, but if you have already added your Steam web API keys in your account, under this page you will find your web API key, and with that, just below that there will be a button to revoke it. Click on revoke button, then you will see a confirmation pop up in your interface. Make sure to read that information properly. Once you confirm it, click on yes. Now you'll be taken into default the registered page for web Steam API keys, and again you could follow the same steps in order to add a different web API keys on Steam. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.